Hey, this is Mitchell from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so you are notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to design your own tech house bass sound. Tech house is a hybrid electronic music genre that blends elements of house and techno, and it's one of the most popular subgenres of electronic music. It is characterized by the 4-to-the-floor kick drums, offbeat hi-hats, and rolling bass lines. With that in mind, in the following tutorial, I will show you how to create a tech house bass sound from scratch. As you can see, I have used Vital to create the bass sound. I began by configuring the oscillators and envelope before moving to the filter section. After that, I went to Vital's effects section and configured the distortion, compression, and EQ. Finally, I mapped envelope 2 with the filter 1 cutoff and distortion filter cutoff. Let's hear the final sound solo and in the contents of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.